Chapter 11 Measures of Time. Reading Time. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my children. What is the topic today? Today we will learn reading the time. Okay, first of all we will learn about clock. We know that a clock has two hands, a long hand and a short hand. The long hand is called the minute hand and the short hand is called the hour hand. Can anyone tell what the time in the clock is? It is 4 o'clock. What is the time now? It is 4:15 or 4:15. What the time will it be when we move the minute hand at 6? It is 4:30 or 4:30. Can anyone read the time now?
Yes, ma'am. It is 4:45 or 4:45.
Very good, children. In the next period, we will learn time in minutes and seconds. Time in minutes and seconds. We know that there are 12 big divisions marked on the clock. Each big division has 5 small divisions. Each small division stands for 1 minute. So, there are 12 into 5 is equal to 60 small divisions. Or, we can say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Remember, left half of the clock says number of minutes to the next hour. For example, in the given clocks, the time is 10 minutes to 1, 20 minutes to 11, 15 minutes to 4. Right half of the clock says number of minutes past the hour. For example, in the given clocks, the time is 10 minutes past 4, 5 minutes past 6, 25 minutes past 3. Time in seconds. As we have already learned, a clock has an hour hand and a minute hand. Some watches have a third hand, which is known as the second hand. It is the thinnest and the fastest needle. It covers 60 small divisions in 1 minute. It takes just 1 second to cross the division. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. AM and PM. The AM of the day starts after 12 o'clock midnight and ends at 12 o'clock midday. The PM of the day starts after 12 o'clock midday and continues till 12 o'clock midnight. 24 hours clock time. We normally use a 12 hours clock, but railways, airlines and armed forces use 24 hours clock. In this, the time is expressed in 4 digits. For example, in the given clocks, the time is 22:05 hours, 18:15 hours and 4:19 hours. Here, the first 2 digits from the left tell us the hours and the number formed by the next 2 digits tells us the minutes. For example, 22:05 hours is equal to 22 hours 5 minutes. Remember,
12 o'clock midnight is expressed as 0000 hours.
12 o'clock noon is expressed as 12:00 hours.
Day, week, month and year.
Days, weeks, months, and year are longer units of time. We are already familiar with the relation between them and we know that 1 day equals to 24 hours, 1 week equals to 7 days, 1 year equals to 12 months, 1 year equals to 52 weeks equals to 365 days, and 1 leap year equals to 366 days. A month usually has 30 or 31 days, but the month February has 28 days in an ordinary year and 29 days in a leap year.
Daddy, what is leap year?
A year is said to be a leap year if it is exactly divisible by 4. For example, years 1988, 1992, 1996 and 2004 are leap years as these are divisible by 4.
Conversions. Example. Convert 3 hours 45 minutes into minutes. Solution: 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 3 hours is equal to 3 multiplied by 60 minutes is equal to 180 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes is equal to 180 minutes plus 45 minutes is equal to 225 minutes. Example: convert 6 minutes 37 seconds into seconds. Solution: 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 6 minutes is equal to 6 multiplied by 60 seconds is equal to 360 seconds. 6 minutes 37 seconds is equal to 360 seconds plus 37 seconds is equal to 397 seconds. Example: convert 3 hours 10 minutes 30 seconds into seconds. Solution: 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 3 hours is equal to 3 multiplied by 60 minutes is equal to 180 minutes. 180 minutes is equal to 180 multiplied by 60 seconds is equal to 10,800 seconds. And 10 minutes is equal to 10 multiplied by 60 seconds is equal to 600 seconds. 3 hours 10 minutes 30 seconds is equal to 10,800 seconds plus 600 seconds plus 30 seconds is equal to 11,430 seconds.
Addition of time.
Addition of time is quite different from addition of ordinary numbers. For example, add 2 hours 36 minute 45 seconds and 3 hour 45 minute 35 second. Solution: write the time in their proper columns and then add. First, add the seconds. 45 seconds plus 35 seconds equals to 80 seconds. Next, add the minutes. 36 minutes plus 45 minutes equals to 81 minutes. Finally, add the hours. 2 hours plus 3 hours equals to 5 hours. Since 60 seconds equals to 1 minute and 60 minutes equals to 1 hour, therefore 5 hours 81 minutes and 80 seconds equals to 5 hours 60 plus 21 minutes and 60 plus 20 seconds, which is equal to 6 hours 22 minutes 20 seconds.
Subtraction of time.
Subtraction of time can be proceeded in the following manner. For example, subtract 3 hours 35 minutes 34 second from 12 hours 25 minutes 22 second. Solution: write the time in their proper columns and then subtract. First, subtract the seconds column. Since 22 is smaller than 34, so borrow 1 minute, that is 60 seconds from minutes column. Now, 60 plus 22 equals to 82 seconds. Subtract 34 from 82. 82 minus 34 equals to 48. Write 48 under seconds column. After borrowing 25 minutes minus 1 minute equals to 24 minutes. Here, 24 is smaller than 35. Hence, borrow 1 hour, that is 60 minutes from hours column. Now, 60 plus 24 equals to 84 minutes. Subtract 35 from 84. 84 minus 35 equals to 49 minutes. Write 49 under minutes column. After borrowing, 12 hours minus 1 hour equals to 11 hours and 11 minus 3 equals to 8 hours. Write 8 under hours column.
Duration of time. How can one calculate the duration of time? If you know the starting time and the finishing time of any activity, you can calculate the duration of the activity. This shows for how long an activity took place. Example: Karan goes to play tennis at 5 p.m. and reaches home at 7 p.m. How long does he play? Solution: Start time 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. that is finish time. Thus, Karan plays for 2 hours. Calculating days. While calculating days, sometimes we need to include the last day in our calculations. Example: Rajat's first term exam started on the 15th of September and ended on the 30th of September. Find the number of days Rajat gave his first term exam. Solution: 30 minus 14 is equal to 16 days. We subtracted 14 days instead of 15 because we included the 15th day in our calculation. The calendar. Calendar tells us the time of the major events like festivals during the year. It helps us to know our working days and holidays. It also tells us the days and dates of a month.